Few days back, Apple launched a new series of devices, and among them, the iPhone 14 Pro is one of the best iPhones you will be getting right now. And the best feature of this phone is obviously the dynamic island. So Apple has integrated this to their iPhones to hide the notch and also to make the area of the notch a lot more useful by showing you all the notifications and all the other things like the music playback and everything. And in the Nothing Phone 1 you can get a similar type of feature. You can get the notification just like you will be getting in the iPhone 14 Pro, like the dynamic island. So in this video we will discuss how you can get the dynamic island feature on the new Nothing Phone 1. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taking to say as, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Here I will be sending a message to my Nothing Phone 1 on WhatsApp, and you can see the notification I am getting is exactly like the dynamic island which is there on the iPhone 14 Pro, and definitely it will be exactly like the other notification. You can reply from there, you can tap on that notification to go directly to the app. So for this you need to download one app which is coming with the name Edge Mask. So this is the app which you need to download, and once you have downloaded this, you need to open this app and configure a few of the settings of this app to get the notifications like the dynamic island in there. So once you open the app, you will be prompted with a lot of notifications. To get all the necessary permissions to display the notifications, definitely you have to activate all these permissions, and once you have activated, you will get this OK symbol. So I have already activated all the permissions which are required. So as this app is on the Play Store, so definitely it is a safe app to use. So now after giving all the necessary permission, you need to come to the message option, and here you have to configure the notification style which replicates exactly the dynamic island on the iPhone. So here you will get a lot of notification styles, and you have to select this Samsung message style to get that notification effect which is on the iPhone. So you just need to enable it, and once you enable, you will see that you will get the notification on your phone to see whether this is activated or not. Once it is activated, you need to do some of the configurations. So you need to click on this settings icon, and here in the background color you have to select the black color, and in the message color you have to select the white color just like what I have selected. And here overlays on lock screen you have to enable it, and in the size and duration you can configure it as per your choice. So you can just configure the position of the notification by clicking on this vertical option. So as I will be increasing it, it will come down, and as I will be decreasing it, it will go up. So you have to configure it where you will be having the hole punch notch. It will be more effective if you are having the notch in the middle. So once you have configured these settings, you need to come back, and here you need to enable the option blocking the system heads up and also the sound duplicate prevent. So what it will do, it will block duplicate notifications because we will also receive the notifications from the WhatsApp app which is the system notification. It will just disable that so that you will be getting only one notification at a time. Once you have configured it, it will be ready to be used. It will work with any of the app, not only WhatsApp. So whenever I will be receiving a notification, I will be getting the notification like the dynamic island which is there in the Apple, and you can see I will also get the notification on the notification panel so that I can reply from there. So this is a really good customization feature you will be getting on the Nothing Phone 1 to get the dynamic island like notifications on this phone, and it is also really easy to configure for any of the Android phones up there. So I just wanted to show you about this app which can really spice up the notifications which you will be receiving on your phone, as it becomes boring to use your phone every single day. And if you can just change or customize the notification settings on your phone like dynamic island, that will be a really added bonus you will be getting on this Nothing Phone 1. So I hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.